Hey everyone, are you ready to take your cryptocurrency trading to the next level? Let me introduce you to Bybit, one of the most dynamic and user-friendly trading platforms available today. And here's a special tip. By using the Bybit Referral code 82500, you can unlock exclusive rewards that will enhance your trading experience. Imagine a trading platform designed specifically with you in mind. Bybit offers a sleek, intuitive interface that makes navigating through its features a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, you'll find everything you need at your fingertips. With access to over 70 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's dive into the perks of using the referral code 82500. When you sign up and enter this code, you gain access to special promotions like reduced trading fees and bonus funds that can give your trading journey a significant boost. It's like having a secret weapon in your trading arsenal. One of Bybit's standout features is its unified trading account. This innovative system allows you to manage spot, futures, and options trading all in one place. You can easily switch between different margin modes, isolated, cross, and portfolio margin, tailoring your risk management strategies to suit your trading style. But that's not all. Bybit is renowned for its advanced order matching engine, capable of handling an impressive 100,000 transactions per second. This means swift and efficient trade executions, minimizing the risk of slippage, crucial in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. Additionally, Bybit offers a unique copy trading-in feature that allows you to follow successful traders and replicate their strategies effortlessly. This is an excellent way for beginners to learn while potentially increasing their profits without needing extensive market knowledge. Security is also a top priority at Bybit. With robust measures in place to protect your assets and dedicated customer support available 24/7, you can trade with peace of mind. In conclusion, if you're looking to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading or enhance your existing experience, Bybit is the platform for you. Don't forget to use the Bybit referral code 82500 when signing up to unlock exclusive benefits that will set you on the path to success. Get ready for an exhilarating trading adventure with Bybit. Happy trading!